In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change or set a custom wallpaper on your ASUS VivoBook 14 series laptop. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is navigate or locate the image file you want to set as your desktop wallpaper. Right-click on it, and then you want to select the option that says Set as Desktop Background. Want to make sure you get a high-quality image so that the image comes across nice on your wallpaper background, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.